Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well. So for today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you a very easy and a quick way to make a decoupage tray. Do watch the video till the end and let me know how do you like it. Also, do not forget to hit the like button and the subscribe button. So let's get started. I got this beautiful wooden tray from Itsy Bitsy craft store. These are available on their website as well. They have this amazing collection of trays, different shapes, size and colors as well. You can choose your favorite one from here. So this particular one I got is of 11 into 8 inches. Now to begin with, I'm gonna apply gesso all over the tray just to give it a nice and a white base. These products I'm using all are from Itsy Bitsy and I'm going to link all of them in the description below. To apply the gesso, you can use a white brush or can use a dabber or a sponge as well. Just go dab all over the tray, and after you are done, this is how it's gonna look like. Now it's time to decorate the tray with some colors and some decoupage paper. So I got this beautiful decoupage paper. There are plenty of paper on their website as well. Initially, the paper was a bit bigger for the tray, so I had to cut out the outer layer very carefully. And after that, it just fit perfectly, as you can see. Now it's time to attach the paper, and to do so, you can use any kind of white or PVA glue. I'm using this Decopage glue specially made for decoupage. Just put some glue on the area and spread it out carefully with the help of a brush. Once you are done, carefully place the paper and make sure there are no air bubbles. Gently press all the sides and the corners as well. And it's done. Now you just have to decorate the sides. I'm gonna use this chalk paint to do so. You can decorate it in your own pretty way. At last, I'm gonna highlight the borders with this golden metallic color. At the end, to lock all the colors and make the product waterproof, I'm using this decor varnish. Apply it all over the tray and spread it out with a dry and flat brush. Look how glossy it looks after you finish. Now you can decorate your tray with your favorite elements, and done. This is how it's gonna look like. Thank you for watching the video till the end. I hope you guys liked it. See you again on my next video. Bye bye.